The Maverick would like to make a public service announcement this evening that the relevant authorities are apparently afraid to make. So by the common sense powers invested in me as the Maverick, I hereby announce that Yohan the Beast Blake is officially the double sprint champion from the recent Jamaica National Championships. He won the 100 meters decisively and was the first Jamaican across the line in the 200 meters. Andrew Hudson, who finished ahead of Blake in the 200, is still not eligible to run as a Jamaican. He was allowed to compete at the championships pending his eligibility. So Hudson will actually miss the World Championships because the finalizing of his switch of allegiance from USA to Jamaica will not go through until the end of July. So technically, Hudson is still not a Jamaican, so he cannot be a Jamaican national champion. And to solidify my case, a search of the IAAF website reveals Andrew Hudson as an American sprinter until the 27th of July. Yes. So any performance done before the 27th of July, he did as an American sprinter. So congratulations to the veteran Yohan the Beast Blake, National Sprint Double Champion of Jamaica for 2022. Thank you.